Creating an allow list is useful for limiting users, groups, or computers to specific content, like an intranet or a handful of websites. Depending upon the complexity of the site being allowed, a little bit of investigation may be necessary to properly and efficiently create your allow list. In this video, we'll create an allow list that allows users to get to Salesforce.com. If we go to the allow list for the profile, we can add www.salesforce.com as an entry. However, this won't be sufficient. Let's click on the web crawler button. From here we can see what URLs Salesforce uses to load its web pages, as well as hyperlinks to other sites. For this example, we don't really care about hyperlinks, so we'll select Page Resources and output to a text file for now. We can see from the output that Salesforce.com pulls content from other domains, various hosts within the domain, and from various directories within the domain. We won't have to add all of this to our allow list. In Perl Echo, if you allow a root domain, by default, you allow all subdirectories in the domain. In addition, we'll use the asterisk wildcard to easily cover all of the different hosts within the domain. Let's close the text file and click on the crawl button again. This time, let's pull the root domains and send the results right to this profile's allow list. Selecting root domains took care of all those subdirectories. Now let's take care of all these pesky hosts within the Salesforce domain. By putting an asterisk in the host field, we cover Investor and AppExchange and all of these other hosts. Now we are left with just a handful of entries. We can investigate the remaining URLs if we are concerned, or leave them if we are familiar with their content. Now we can save our work and we are done.